everyone. So we are going to talk more about comparing objects by length. Remember, we're taking two objects like this pencil and this eraser, lining them up, and then we can say things about this. The pencil is longer than the eraser, or the eraser is shorter than the pencil. All right, that's a review from yesterday. Let's see what our video brings us today.
Look at the picture. What do you see? You see 3 screws. Let's order these screws by length.
All right, so when you put them in order by length, you have to line them up and find out which one's the shortest first and which one's the longest, and then you can put them in order. Let's see it happen.
The screws will be in order from shortest to longest. Look at this screw. It is the shortest. Now look at these 2 screws. How are these 2 screws lined up?
They're lined up with the ends together so that you can tell the length.
They are lined up so that they are even at one end. Why are these 2 screws lined up this way?
All right, that's an excellent question. So when you think about the pencil and the eraser, the pencil is longer than the eraser, but if I put the eraser over here and said the eraser was longer, is that true? No, when you measure things, you always have to make sure that they are lined up evenly before you measure.
They are lined up so their lengths can be compared. Which screw is longer?
Point to it on the screen. Good. This one is longer than the short one.
This screw is longer. Look at the picture now. What do you see?
What do you notice? Very good. They are lined up from shortest to the longest. Nicely done.
Screws that are ordered by length, from shortest to longest. You have learned how to order objects by their length.
All right, let's go over to our math map together. I'll see you there. All right, this is where we're working. So we're comparing objects by length. So what you're going to do is you're going to find 3 objects in your house that are different lengths, such as an eraser, a pencil, and a book. These are 3 objects with different lengths. And then put them in order from the shortest to the longest. So if I were to do this, first I've got to compare the length. The eraser is shorter than the pencil, so the eraser is the shortest. The pencil, now let's compare the pencil and the book. Make them even at the bottom. The pencil is shorter than the book, so my order would be eraser, then pencil, then the book. All right, you find 3 things and put them in order from the shortest to the longest. Let's go to the middle. All right, right here. For number 1, you're going to circle the longest object. They've already made them even for you to make it nice and easy, and put an X on the shortest. So they started off doing it. So you're going to circle the longest object and put an X on the shortest. All right. For number 2, you're going to circle the longest and put an X on the shortest. For number 3, you're going to circle the X and circle the longest and put an X on the shortest. And for number 4, you're going to circle the longest and put an X on the shortest. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. Enjoy math.